Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, so this is like a more complicated work problem. So maraming different ways of approaching this question. I'll solve this in two ways. Then pili kayo kung ano gagamitin natin. Let's start with the standard way. So meron tayong tatlong data dito. One is the number of workers, the number of sofas, and the number of days. If we're going to use the variation approach, we need to know the relationship between worker, sofa, and days. If they are direct or inverse. Remember, pagka sinabi natin direct, when one goes this way, the other also follows. Pero pagka inverse ay go opposite. More workers, does that equivalent to more sofas?
Yes.
Yes, di ba? So this means direct variation. If direct variation, how do we show? So kung doon sa other day na pinakita natin na inverse variation, the product is a constant. Pag direct variation, the ratio is a constant. Pwede natin pakita na W over S. How about worker and days? So more workers, less days. They are inversely related, right? We use the product to show. So worker, day, this will give you like your constant. Okay. Pwede natin sagutin yan ng worker 1, day 1 over sofa 1 will be equal to worker 2, day 2, and sofa 2. So plug in natin dito yan. 8 workers, 24 sofas, and 3 days. Ano naman dito? 36 sofas, 2 days. Ang hinahanap niya kung how many workers. So W2 ang hinahanap namin. This is yung fun part, cancellation of common factors. Okay? So 8 times 3 is 24, lowest term with 24. 2 and 36, lowest term, both divide both by 2, this will now become 18. So that's why W2 will simply be 18. So you need 18 workers. Okay? Kaya answer dito is your letter A. Wait, there's more. So ito yung strategy 1. The other approach can actually be solved faster. Diba? Sabi niya, 8 workers in 3 days. If 8 workers in 3 days, we can say 8 times 3, parang sinasabi natin na, okay, bawat isang day, 8 na workers. 3 days yan. Another set, another set. So, ilang trabaho yung meron tayo lahat?
24.
Lahat 24 equal parts. Ang matatapos pala na dito is 24. 24 din na to. That means, one sofa ang matatapos. The idea there is that one worker in one day, ang matatapos na is one sofa. Ganyan yung speed nila magtrabaho. Gets?
Gets.
Now, knowing that, gusto natin magkaroon ng 36 sofas in 2 days. So parang kailangan natin itong 36 na sofas na to, madidivide natin into 2 days. Kaya ang nalabas is now 18. Eh, di ba gano'ng kabilis magtrabaho yung tao? Isang tao, isang sofa. Di ilang tao kailangan mo sa isang araw?
18.
18 na rin. So sagot is letter A.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCAT.